I'm working on a 92-200 Yamaha Banshee. Right, buddy? It's got spark, it's got fuel, it's got great compression, but it won't start. I just took the reed cage apart and found out one of the dual stage reeds is broke off. Well, I guess the piece is probably in the motor, but it's soft, so hopefully it doesn't hurt the motor. Now I've just chopped up a bank card. I found it in one of my shitty cars. I'm going to drill a hole and mount it just like that reed, and it's nice and springy like bank cards are, or credit cards. And I'm going to do a redneck reed repair and then see if this thing will run. Together and let's ride over the hills and far away. She's all back together now. Let's see what's going to happen. Gotta love those free redneck repairs. I'm a long way from a place to get a part, and it's Friday night, and I wanted to go riding, and someone else's lost bank card is time for me. Now I just need a beer.